Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we off game mode in our Tecno phone. Guys you want to off your game mode in your Tecno phone, so friends you can off it. And guys now let's see how to turn off game mode in our Tecno phone. In this video guys I will show you. So first of all guys open your phone setting to turn off your game mode setting. Then guys scroll it. Guys you can see your special function setting guys. Tap here and friends you can see your second option game mode setting guys. Click here and once you can see your game mode setting friends, advanced setting these settings. So once you want to off your game mode settings, so once you can see your game mode, so once you want to off, so right side you can this icon guys, tap here to off your game mode. After all guys you cannot use this setting in your Tecno phone, so guys your game mode will off in your Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.